Did you know that the majority of students who take notes in class rarely ever look at them again? Taking notes during your lecture is an extremely important part of your learning process, and today I'm going to share a strategy with you that can help you to nail your note-taking, whether you're typing them out or writing by hand. So the strategy is called the Cornell note-taking method, and it was invented by Walter Pock from Cornell University in the 1940s. Yes, I said the 1940s, meaning this note-taking strategy has been around for a very long time, because it really works. So I'm going to walk you through what the Cornell note-taking method is, why it's useful for students, and how you can use it to help create super organized and useful notes. The Cornell note-taking method is a unique system of taking, organizing, and then reviewing your notes. It's basically a way to visually organize the main takeaways from your lecture in a way that will allow you to use the notes to quiz yourself on the material later. The Cornell method is helpful because recording your notes in class will help you to concentrate on what your instructor is saying instead of just daydreaming or scrolling and tuning out. So using this method will also prevent you from forgetting what you learned in class, and recording your notes using this particular format allows you to do so in such a way that you will find it much easier to go back and review it afterwards. So here's how you can use it. Simply draw a margin on the left side of your page that's a bit wider than the margin that's already there. So this will be your cue or question section. Then, during your lecture, take the notes on the right side of the page only. So this will be your note section. So when you're done, go back to the cue section and write questions that directly relate to the info you've written on the right side. So for example, if I've just taken notes that explain what homeostasis is on my note section, then afterwards I'll write the question, what is the definition of homeostasis, in my question or cue section. Then when I'm done all my notes, at the very bottom, I'll write a brief summary in my summary section. So using the Cornell note-taking system allows you to keep your notes neat and organized, and then when it's time to review your notes, you can simply cover the note section and quiz yourself by reading just the questions. Super helpful. You should totally give it a try. So that's it for today's tips. Happy note-taking!